Elizabeth. So I just wanted to make you a quick video so you could see what I was talking about. So if you're on Pixlr, you should be on Pixlr E. You should have opened your image. Stop. So you should be looking at this, correct? And let me make this a little smaller so you can see all the tools. Now I mentioned the unlock button. If you look right up here, you just have to make sure you click to unlock so that you could start working on the picture. The next thing I was wondering is if you were trying to change the color. In order to change the color, you have to move this little white circle. So if it's stuck on black and you move this, but you're not moving the little white circle, it's not going to change your color. You have to move this little white circle to a different color and then press OK in order to change your color. And then you should be able to use it. So I think those are the two problems that you're running, well, the two potential problems you could be running into. Let me know if either of those help, okay? Good luck.